everyone, and welcome to the channel. Now we're coming to the end of the summer now, a few days till autumn. It's the autumn equinox, and I thought I'd do a little video. And the leaves are just starting to fall off the trees. The apples are all falling. It's been really nice today. It's been 20 degrees actually, but last week it was pretty cold. It went down to 8 degrees. Bizarre weather. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock in the evening, and the chicken's been out for about 10 minutes, just having to play around before bed. This here is Peggy. She's naughty, aren't you, Peggy? Peggy keeps jumping on the human side of the fence, don't you, to eat all the nice plants. Yes. So she has just been put on Mummy's knee. Yes. You have. Naughty chicken. Aren't you? She's a character though. She is funny. Aren't you? Yeah. They're all looking a bit dirty, and they're all molting into their winter coats. They've been digging in the mud. Some look a bit pale when they molt. I give them a little booster in the food. We use a bit of rooster booster, only a little bit for a few weeks, if some of them are looking a bit pale. Yeah. Now the babies are out with Gemma. I'm in the middle of doing a video on them because I'm a bit late mixing them into the group, later than I normally would because I went on holiday, and two girls are mixing really well. The male is having a few squabbles. Most of the hens of Bruno have accepted them back, and there's been a bit of squabbling between Luna and Gemma. So I'm making a video on that at the moment. They're still not in the group all day because of Luna fighting and Gemma fighting. There's Luna over there in the rocks with Bruno. So if you come back and have a look at that video, if you want to. They all love apple season. Now you've probably read that chickens shouldn't eat apple seeds. Well, my chickens have been eating apples for years. I've never lost one yet. But these seeds in these apples off my tree, there's the tree up there. Very big tree. They have such tiny seeds in them anyway. Like I say, I've never had a problem. And the apple tree's been here longer than the chickens have. I used to have large hybrids running around the garden, and they used to eat lots of apples. again, never had a problem. Doesn't mean to say go and feed your chickens apple seeds. I'm just saying, don't panic if your chicken eats an apple. He's still here. You're not getting down. Are you not getting down? Boo. Boo. Bruno strutted his stuff. If you've not watched the channel before, I just fly through the chickens. That's where's my finger? That's Mrs. Big Blue. That there is Misty. She's looking very scruffy. She's an old lady. The white chicken on the right is Penny, and the brown one next to is Cher. The one in front of us on the rocks is Luna. It's the one that keeps fighting with Gemma. That one there, that's Ariel, the Frizzle. And we've got Bruno over there. Who's missing? Oh, and we've got Gemma with her babies there. Do you see it? Oh, sorry, Peggy. Gemma down there. It's Gemma. We did have Jet, but she went to live with Billy, if you remember Billy, if you've seen the other videos. We did have Fluff, and I didn't tell anyone this because it upset me too much, because she was one of my original chickens. She was 9 years old, and at the beginning of this year she passed away. I kept trying to do a video on it, but it kept really upsetting me and I couldn't talk. So yeah, so it's the first time I've mentioned that. Bless her. Yeah, she was my favourite chicken. I'm afraid to say that I do have favourites sometimes, but she was one of my first. She was a Frizzle, and she came from an estate that bred chickens and pheasants and things for shooting and eggs and stuff. She came from there in a pretty bad mess, and we fixed her up, and she was beautiful. She was an excellent mum. She was she brought Bruno up. Bruno wasn't hers, but she hatched him and brought him up. And Gemma and Cher, brought them all up. Yeah, it was about February time, I think. Yeah, I was too upset to do a video on her, like I say. Yeah, and then there's Jet, who went off with Billy. run off. Camera shy. And she's a little sweetie. Stands a bit funny at the moment. Something tells me she might have been Luna's. I've got hairy feet, haven't you? No. Look at the step. What have you been doing? Look around there. You precious. You go girl. And there she is, you little sweetie. What are you going to call you? Need some names, don't we? That's what we'll have to do. We'll have to do a naming video. Don't we? And then do a poll. See who likes which names. Hey? I can hear a robin somewhere. It's the robin. Oh, there it is. There's Mr. Robin. Oh, just flew away. Oh, he's gone up there now. Just there. The robins always come back for the winter in my garden. They disappear for a few months in the summer and then return in the autumn. Sorry about the mess. There's a foxglove growing there and I can't get to it at the moment because I've got beans and courgettes growing over there. And so the chickens kept pushing the netting back and pinching the foxglove. Foxgloves are poisonous to chickens. They eat a lot of them. So that's what that's doing up there until I can get to it. Look, there's Peggy. See her. Naughty chicken. Come on. Come on, baby. Peggy. Naughty chicken. jumped up on the bramble. It amazes me when they do that. They don't get thorns in their little feet. You're beautiful, aren't you? Naughty bum, but beautiful. Yes. Naughty bum, but beautiful. I clearly forgot that I was recording a video there, singing a little tune. So yeah, that's a little update. Little autumn video. I'm concentrating on trying to mix these. I just thought I'd better do a quick video. So there it is. Look at you. Look at you. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. So thanks for watching, everyone. Really please appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.